We found a rock with writing on it. A rock that people wanted to find, so I'm gonna put it back. That's kind of cool, I guess. There we go. We made it to the beach restaurant. We got our food. Jason's tired as always. We got the fam. We're just gonna chill and eat. Hey guys, so we just got picked up by the limo, and when Dad's going down to Mexico, he is leaving us with the GoPro and our phones to record. Hey guys, so today is another amazing day here in Cyprus, and today we are going to the beach. Isn't that right, Jason? Yeah. Alright. Yesterday we went to the beach. I didn't record because something happened to my phone, but I fought a crab. I got a crab, which was pretty cool. So we're gonna try to do that again and just have a good time.
Yeah, so my friend keeps butchering Greek things like Yasu. Yasu. Well, that's the one thing he can say.
Yeah.
But Euro.
Euro.
He calls it Euro. Actually, restart. Hey Clayton.
Yeah.
Say Slovakia.
Slovakia.
Ah! It's wrong. Get it right next time.
I'm sorry. I'm not
better
Greek.
than Duolingo.
You're better than Duolingo?
Yeah.
Teach
Sponsor
me.
him.
Teach me, bro.
Teach you?
Yes.
Su.
Vla.
Kia.
Kia.
Say it.
Slovakia.
Ow! Ow! Ah! Hey guys.
Do an intro.
Clayton's being a complete idiot today.
Idiot? What's an idiot?
Restart.
Hey guys, we just made it to the beach. We got this snorkel thing and Jason's looking like he's tired.
I am.
So we just made it to the beach in the Mediterranean Sea. Jason's splashing me. The water's definitely really cold because we're in the morning right now. Jason, stop splashing me! Oh my. This is what you get! Ah! Alright. Alright, so we just made it over to the rocks right now. Whew, that was fun.
Finally, Jesus Christ.
This is fire.
Anything else?
Nah.
Oh, come on.
Chat, I'm gonna do something else. Hurry up, we're wasting battery. So me and Jason are about to do a little free swimming. Try to find a crab, right?
Yeah. Should I bring the pool noodle?
Yeah, you should bring the pool noodle. So yesterday we used the pool noodle to put like push back the crab to the shore and pick it up and stuff.
Yeah.
So
Wait.
what?
The last battle.
The last battle scars of the crab.
It has all these fish marks.
So we're gonna try to go do that again. Man, the Mediterranean Sea is so beautiful. Wow. Agreed? Yeah. So me and Jason just found a sandfish. Look at this. That's pretty cool.
This looks so funny though.
I know, I didn't even see it because of its camouflage.
Hey guys. It's not recording. No, it's not. Hey, I'll see some red stuff.
So we just made it over to the rocks under the sea surface. Look at this. Jason found a hermit crab.
Oh, I already put it down.
You put it down?
No, it's over there.
Bro, what the hell are you doing?
It'll come out sometime.
That's
if I
cool.
let it somewhere on the rock, it'll probably crawl out.
Trying to get this fish.
So we found a crab. Clayton's looking at them right now.
We also found
Here. Oh shoot, I don't want it to get on me. But look at, there's our crab. Not a big one, but it's a baby. Yo.
crab vlog. Oh, we found a rock with writing on it. A rock that people wanted to find, so I'm gonna put it back. That's kind of cool, I guess.
You found a 100-pound bass? By the way, I'm recording right now. Yeah. Alright, Clayton found a 100-pound bass. I guess. Here, take your GoPro.
So Jason's right over there. We are gonna make it all the way down there to those rocks. We're on these. And we're just chilling with the fish. Change of events. We're gonna head back. We're gonna go get something to eat probably. It's been super cool. You know what? I'm just gonna go to the bottom real quick because it's really warm at the top but freezing at the bottom. Yeah, let's go. Ready? There we go. We made it to the beach restaurant. We got our food. Jason's tired as always. We got the fam. And we're just gonna chill and eat. So we just finished. We're gonna head back home. We got like a nightclub to go to tonight, Jason.
Yeah.
That should be interesting to see. We're gonna go home and get some rest.
Not rest, we're gonna play games.
And play games, yeah. So after a little power nap and a few hours on the game, we finally made it to this restaurant, nightclub place, right, Jason?
Yeah. Yeah, he had a struggling time waking up. Yeah, his parents yelled at him.
I was tired, all right.
Too tired.
And this man is still mad at me for mispronouncing Greek words. We just got in. There's like a band, bar, wine, this guy. The whole family just pulled up. Your whole family?
Where's your family at?
My family's right there. My mom.
Yeah.
So we just got our appetizers, hummus, salad, cheese, bread. The best appetizers you could really ask for. Right, Jason? Apparently, halloumi is coming up with sausage. That should be kind of good. Jason's excited about it, and he's the Greek one here. So, it should be good, right?
100%. I'm surprised you said halloumi correctly.
Yeah, I said it correctly. Let's go. Go. Finally. So we just made it back home from the place that we were at. Jason's here trying to whip me.
No, I'm not.
Anyway,
I'm just stretching.
the smoke was really bad and it's late right now. Our parents are still there, so we're home alone. So we're just gonna eat stuff, play like probably Minecraft on the computer and just chill out and wait for the parents to arrive home. Can you stop whipping me?
I'm not whipping you, bro. I swear.
Yeah, anyway.